Weytec's KVM Over IP technology is focused on streamlining workflow, removing all clutter from workspaces, and replacing confusion with clarity. Weytec's team once again set the bar to new heights with its high-speed, low-latency IP remote. Its non-intrusive solution makes it ideal for high-security applications, as it requires no software to be installed on the customer PC. Weytec's system allows real-time transmission over IP. Transparent USB 2.0 dual-channel stereo audio. Available with DVI, VGA, and DisplayPort with up to 2 times 4K video resolutions at 60 Hz. Distance limitations, there are none. It supports copper and all fiber, matching each form factor model. The chassis is available for one individual IP remote, or it houses up to 16 IP remotes. All with redundant power supplies in our chassis. Choose between IP remote up to 4K and IP remote USB. Weytec KVM Over IP solutions house all your PCs and information sources in a centralized server room, where they are stored, protected, cooled, and maintained easily and efficiently. This results in lower electricity cost and increased hardware lifespan. It further precludes breaches of IT security and virtually eliminates expensive moves, adds and changes. A Weytec machine runs like Swiss clockwork, and there is a reason for that. All Weytec machines are designed and manufactured in Switzerland.